Hey guys, what is up? As many of you guys already know that I'm very much active on TradingView from last 5 years, and I have a follower base of around 3.3k, and I have shared more than 940 ideas. And TradingView is something which helped me a lot to actually document my systems, trading style, my ideas, and I love doing it. Okay. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can actually share your ideas on TradingView. Perfect. So we're going to do a top-down multi-time frame analysis on USD and share that idea on TradingView. So you have two options here. Either you can publish the chart in tab, like if you just go with this option, then it will just share the chart image, the idea. Okay, so you just need to draw the everything, like what's your views on the chart, and then simply just post it on TradingView using this option, publish the idea. But if you want to like record yourself, like talk out loud about what's your views on the sphere, then you can go with this option. So in this video, we're gonna go with this because this one is pretty easy. Everyone can do that. So let's start. After this, it will tell you to select your window, and this is the window we're gonna go with. Then a countdown will start like 3 2 1, and just after one, it will like tell you go, and you have to start talking about your views. Perfect. Hey, good evening, everyone. We are gonna do a top-down multi-time frame analysis on USD in this video. So, starting from the monthly time frame, the recent monthly candle is very bearish and is strongly trading towards downside. And we have 18 days left for this candle to close. And if we just zoom out a little and drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move to the downside, we can see price is currently rejecting from 78.6 very strongly. And the previous month, price actually failed strongly to close above it. It tried, but it failed so hard that the weekly candle closed like this. So dropping down on weekly chart, this was the last impulsive move towards upside. So dropping Fibonacci on this impulsive move, we can see we are currently trading below 61.8, and we have a internal range sell side liquidity here. The last weekly candle was bearish. So the last weekly candle was bearish and it closed below the low of the previous week's low. So this can be a HPL, but let's see what's going on in lower time frame to confirm that. So dropping down on the daily chart, we can see price is very strongly rejecting towards downside and possibly going towards this low. And another interesting thing that I can notice, if we drop off Fibonacci on this move from this low to this high, we are currently rejecting downside from 78.6, and I call it 78.6 flip. And I love this setups. Uh, the we have 4 hours left for this daily candle to close. So it's USD holidays, so it's possibly gonna close like this. And what we can expect from the next days in the weekly chart, if this weekly candle, for now we are looking for shorts, but if this weekly candle managed to close as a bullish one, our the whole complete view on USD will completely change. Like after that we will start looking for longs, but for now we are looking for shorts because we have a internal range sell side liquidity. After this impulsive drop and break of structure, price corrected back higher all the way to 50% of this correction, and right now we are dropping. If we drop off Fibonacci on the last impulsive move towards downside, we corrected back higher to 38.2 and right now rejecting from it. So things are pretty much lining up. So what I'm planning to look for shorts after a corrective phase upside, maybe towards this FVG. What I'm planning, if I find any structural shift in 15 minute at around this level, or any of my entry pattern in 15 minute, I will definitely look for a shorting opportunity at around this level and target towards this low. So that's my views on EURUSD, and hope you find this video helpful. If yes, drop a like, comment down what's your views on this pair, and I will see you soon on the next session. Thank you. So it's done. So we're just waiting for it to upload. Yeah, we're waiting for it. You can easily download this whole video, this idea from this section, from this tab. So let's wait. So the uploading is done and we're gonna just continue to publish. We just need to write a caption here. USD multi-time frame analysis and a little description here. Yep, I'm looking for shorts in EURUSD on the next London and NY session. What do you think about it? And we can simply, it's a public idea, it's analysis, not a tutorial. And our bias is short. The category is, you can select your categories here, and you just need to uh, accept that you are gonna follow, you followed all the house rules and publish the idea. After publishing, like you get 15 minutes to edit or delete this idea. After 15 minutes, you can't edit or delete this. So that's a really interesting feature I love. And you can like update your ideas, your views from this tabs or add notes like what's going on in your mind about this particular idea. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. And that's all from my side. I think this is something like I really recommend you guys to journal your trade ideas, talk out loud, or at least share the picture in TradingView. And like when you journal your trade ideas, you are not just keeping them in your mind or in your chart, you are keeping them in your journal in a documented format, and it actually helps you to build the edge over time. And if you're a discretionary trader or mechanical, doesn't matter, like discretionary, mechanical, or rule based trader, like this thing actually helps a lot. I think journaling is really important, like especially journaling your emotions and how the way you are looking at the chart and creating your ideas. It doesn't matter whether you are a discretionary trader, mechanical trader, rule based trader, or whatever. Journaling is something which is really very, very crucial to become someone consistently profitable in markets. Okay, just make sure that you're not sharing any financial ideas straight away, any financial advice or anything threatening or any advertisements. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side. See you soon on the next session, guys. Signing off.